and I will leave the link to that video in the description. So if you have any specific question regarding this product, don't forget to contact me from my email or join my Telegram channel. Hello everyone, Dr. Arshi is here. Today, as I promised, I'm gonna do the review on testosterone cypionate. I already did the HPLC analysis. I'm gonna release it today in this video. One of my friends in the gym who was so curious about the cypionate from the ZPHC has received his product, and apparently he gonna start a cycle from basically end of next week, and I'm gonna post a video regarding how much muscle he gained at the end of the cycle. He gonna only use cypionate and testosterone. So all of that has been said. As usual, I'm not advocating of taking any kind of testosterone, any kind of human growth hormone. If you want to do, please do it at your own risk, and these are all for the entertainment purposes. As usual, I said I really try to find those products that has less additive inside, less solvent, and the label represent what really exists within the amps. So that's very important for me to share with you guys. I hope you can support my channel in any way that you can. So, but if you want to do if you want to buy any of the brands I said it is pure, you still have to do your own analysis, and I have no responsibility regarding what you're gonna do to your own body, because what I said and what I get is what I did. In the future, the dealer can be different, you can buy the fake and so on. So please be responsible for that. So now let's get into it regarding the testosterone cypionate. In the previous video, I already analyzed the amps, how you do the authentication. So please go and watch that if you want. Don't forget to like and subscribe, because the next will be boldenone. I still haven't opened this, so we will make the opening box opening and amp test for boldenone next. However, in this video I'm gonna discuss more about first why cypionate is very important testosterone for therapy, for example for TRT. The reason is when you're using the cypionate, your blood serum level of the testosterone is more stable compared to other testosterone. It has been used for TRT, delayed puberty, and as I said, hormone therapy for any reason that people got problem with their testicle, they lost a testicle for example cancer or injuries. So that's a main usage of the cypionate. However, because of the consistent release of the testosterone and another important factor, cypionate is like one-to-one similarity. It has one-to-one similarity to your own body testosterone production. So the molecular structure is very similar. Therefore, it can bind to the muscle receptors, cell receptors in general much easier. So the main reason of using cypionate in bodybuilding is gaining mass, gaining strength, reducing the recovery time, as well as there are so many researchers that suggesting that cypionate can enhance the fat loss. So these are all the factors that cypionate has been used. Another reason is since cypionate has a long half-life, which is almost 8 days. For those who want to go at low dosage, they can only go for 1 to 2 time injection per week. So with 1 to 2 time injection per week, technically they sustain the amount of testosterone in their system, therefore they can achieve what they want. Another important thing is cypionate has a good effect on the people who suffering depression due to lack of testosterone. It has been shown that cypionate can enhance and improve the mood and reduce the mood swing on those people who suffering from the lack of testosterone. So now let's get into ZPHC product. So there are two important things regarding a ZPHC product that everybody look for it. One is because the purity is very high, and secondly, the protocols for the laboratory is almost similar to the pharma levels. They regularly check the product for the quality control, and as I mentioned in the previous video, so far I'm very satisfied with the packaging and the amps. So what was my HPLC result? My HPLC results showed that this cypionate is 98% pure. And I want to be very honest, it could be even 100% pure because I only ran it 2 times. So it could be 96 or it could be 100. Maybe 2% mistake I could have done with my analysis. However, this level of purity, in my opinion, is really enormous. So so far I haven't checked any product from other companies that could reach almost 100% purity. So purity was very high. The bacterial culture was negative. It was well sterilized. And regarding the oil base, so to be honest, regarding the oil, I did not do a very comprehensive test for the oil, but I guess it could be ethyl oleate or it could be grape oil. It could be one of these two. So based on the weight, I'm guessing that it is ethyl oleate, which is the pharma level oil for production of the testosterone. And I'm waiting for the result of my friend to tell you, did he get inflammation or any other things. I'm gonna share all of those in the next video. So I hope this video was interesting for you. If it was, please don't forget to like and subscribe. As I said, if you have any question regarding this product, you can contact me through the email or you can join my Telegram channel. I hope this video was interesting for you. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time.